Okay, so now that the engine's out, I rolled the car out, put the wheels back on, and I just sprayed down the subframe and the steering rack and all that with degreaser. I'm gonna hit this with a pressure washer, get the undercarriage where the oil's been leaking for God knows how long. Definitely 5 to 10 years of just oil buildup and gunk on the subframe. Gonna get it all pressure washed off and get the car back in the garage and start reassembly. So I got the Active 2.0, my in-garage pressure washer set up. I'll go over here, turn the water on, let this purge out for a minute. All right, so I wait till there's a steady stream of water coming out with no bubbles or anything or spurts. Quick disconnect it on, come back over here, turn on the Active 2.0, fully pressurized, hit the shutoff switch, and we're ready to go. Right, and while I'm here, I'm going to spray some water through these heater core to get any old junky coolant out. I'll take an air hose to this after I'm done to blow out all the regular water. Alright, that's good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.